Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max or 17 Air. Doesn't matter which 17 you have, these steps will work on any of them. So let's get started. So first, open the settings up, then go down, find the Apple Intelligence Siri, open it. Now here under Siri Quest, you see Talk to Siri. Tap on it. Here you see Siri or Hey Siri only, whichever you like. I want to use the first one. And it will ask you to enable Siri on your iPhone first. Okay, enable it. And now you can tap on Continue. It will ask you to say a few stuff. Okay, just say them. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now Siri's ready. That's it. Just tap on Done. Close it. Now say Siri or Siri. Let me say it. Siri. Hey Siri. Yeah, that's it. That's how you can set up Siri or Hey Siri on any iPhone 17 series. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.